Let me recap what we said before. خليني كده ألخص لحضراتكم عن recapping أو summarizing اللي احنا قلناه previous lecture. Number one, we said that we have assignments, and the assignment will be what is the relationship between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. And the four elements should be: number one, the definition of human intelligence and artificial intelligence, and you have to compare between the artificial and human intelligence. Number two, you have to the comparison between human intelligence and artificial. Number three, importance of theory of mind. What is the meaning of theory of mind, and what is the importance of theory of mind in our field of artificial intelligence? Number four, put a machine in your reasoning asset, which is a concept of theory of mind. TOM, T-O-M, is the abbreviation of theory of mind. Okay? Be regarded as a true individual with actual theory of mind capabilities. يعني بالعربي هل بعد ما نقدر ان احنا نحول الثيوري اوف مايند لمجال الارتفيشال الماشين بتاعتي فعلا هتبقى زي فيها ولا ستيل عندنا بعض المشاكل اللي بتبقى موجوده. Any other issue you wish to discuss in your article? أي points؟ وفي واحد فيكم سألني if I would like to add nothing مش هحط حاجة يعني قلت له no problem. And then in our previous lecture we discussed the meaning of psychology. What's the meaning of psychology? I would like to recap what we said before. What's the meaning of psychology? As we said before, psychology is a scientific study of behavior of humans and animals. And if we're talking about behavior, we are talking about overt and covert behavior. What is the difference between overt and covert behavior? بقى كده معايا كده شوية قليلين لسه. What is the difference between overt and covert behavior? Okay, overt behavior is observed. You can directly observe it. Okay? And because in artificial intelligence you are trying to simulate the human behavior, you can think or have to apply the meaning of psychology, the elements of psychology, the elements of human being, cognitive human being, into the machine. Doesn't mean that we get it artificial intelligence. So, overt behavior is directly observable. What about the examples of overt behavior? So we have three main types or subtypes. Number one, verbal communication. What's the meaning of verbal communication? It means expressing yourself by talking and speech. What I am saying now is a verbal communication because I have this language. Okay? And the second subtype is non-verbal communication. What is the meaning of non-verbal communication? Body language. It is also referred to as body language. What about eye contact? What about body posture? What about facial expressions? What about personal space? What about any signs or signals? What about your gestures? All of these are covert behavior. Okay, and the third subtype is the first, motor action. Either we are talking about what? Yes, either we are talking about gross motor acts or fine motor acts. What's the difference between gross motor and fine motor? Yes.
Delicate control, while gross doesn't need.
Again.
Fine motor actions need delicate control,
Okay.
while gross doesn't need.
Delicate control or fine manipulation. Especially you have to do them with your fingers. Okay, such as what? Writing, drawing. And what about gross motor? And by the way, are you able to make the machine, the robot, having fine motor and gross motor?
Maybe also we have robot is artists, you know.
So, do you think they can do some sort of fine manipulation, fine motor activities? Okay, are you hoping to do that in the future? What's the meaning of gross motor activities? Such as what? Walking, running, jumping, going upstairs, downstairs, all of these are gross motor acts. So, if you are talking about psychology, it is the scientific study of overt and covert behavior in humans and animals. And as we said before, overt behavior, it means behavior that can be easily or directly observed. And they have three subtypes. Number one, verbal communication. Number two, non-verbal communication. And the third subtype is motor activities, including fine motor acts and gross motor acts. What's the meaning of covert behavior? Yes. So you cannot observe them directly, but you can observe them indirectly, such as what? Emotions, thoughts, beliefs, what else? Personality traits or personality characteristics. Personality states, personality states, and what else? What about your motives? Motives also are involved in covert behavior. Okay? The question now is, what is human intelligence? Because you are interested in because you are interested in, or your major is the artificial intelligence, you are interested in how to apply our human intelligence in the field of AI or artificial. Make sense? So, what is the meaning of artificial intelligence and what is the meaning of human intelligence? Okay, you would be able to set your goals. You need that. What else? Your capability to set your goals. One aspect of human intelligence. Do actions according to what? To his motives and his goals. Is this an aspect of human intelligence? Okay. Creativity. What is the meaning of creativity, and is creativity an aspect of intelligence or they are different? And by the way, I asked you before, are you interested in artificial intelligence or artificial intelligence and artificial creativity also?
The machine to think how to solve the problem now, but in future we may be to have machines or robots to think creativity to make a new problem or make a new fields by itself.
So in creativity you are trying, according to what you said, according to creativity you are trying to think outside the box, right? But in intelligence you are not thinking outside the box, right? I will give you more about the meaning of creativity and the meaning of intelligence and what is the difference between them and what is the relationship between creativity and problem solving. Okay. What's the meaning of artificial intelligence? It is yours, بتاعتكم. What's the meaning of artificial intelligence? So it is the field in which you are trying to simulate the human intelligence. ده اللي انت قلته ولا انا فهمت غلط؟ What else? What's the meaning of artificial intelligence?
How to think solving the problem like by syntax way and
So it is the field in which you can make the machine solve problems. You need this? What else? What's the meaning of artificial intelligence? It is your major. مش ده تخصصكم ولا انا كده غلط؟ مش ده تخصصكم يا جماعه؟ كتير قوي ليه كده؟ What's the meaning of artificial intelligence? فاكر وانا بسأل السؤال ده انا مش هلاحق على الاجابات. Why؟ ليه؟ لا افهمها دي، عايز افهمها بجد. ليه مفيش اجابات كتير دي؟
الإجابة اللي هو قالها والإجابة اللي هو قالها إن هو يا إما سيستم بيسيميليت ذكاء الإنسان أو سيستم بيحل بروبلم من غير ما يكون اكسبلسيتلي بروبلم. تقريبا أغلبية اللي اتعملت فتحات على الديفينيشن الاي اي.
اوكي. ماشي. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence of machine. It is a branch of computer science which aims to create intelligence through the study and the design of intelligent agents. So in AI, you are trying to make the machine think logically and act logically in a logical way. Make sense? ماشي معاكم التعريف ده؟ Okay. So we have a lot of space or a lot of capabilities, a lot of abilities that we hope the machine will exhibit. For example, knowledge, planning, communication, perception, reasoning, attraction to context, learning, ability to accommodate opposites, the ability to move and manipulate objects, independence of judgment, creativity, intuition, and the mind reading and theory of mind. These some of the capabilities you hope that the machine will exhibit. يعني أنا بس عشان ما نبقاش مختلفين، إحنا بنتكلم على what you are hoping to do, not what you are did already. ميك سنس؟ ده اللي بنأمل ان احنا هنوصل له في مجال الارتفيشال انتليجنس. مش بتكلم على ان احنا وصلنا، لان احنا ساعات وانا بتكلم مع بعض حضراتكم بتبقوا دايما مركزين ان احنا ما بنعرفش نعمل لغايه دلوقتي. انا مش بتكلم على what you did, but I am talking about what you are hoping to do. Okay? And already I gave you some definitions of these concepts, such as fluency, and already I tried to assess your verbal fluency and the non-verbal fluency. You remember? مش هنعيده بقى. But what's the meaning of fluency?
او فكره غير شائعه في المجتمع.
What's the meaning of fluency? Okay. What else was the meaning of fluency? Generation of ideas. Okay, a lot of ideas quickly. This refers to your fluent. So fluency is the ability to come up with a lot of ideas quickly. What is the meaning of flexibility? What do we mean by flexibility? And by the way, I am sure you are remembering that all of these are creative abilities. Okay? عشان المرة اللي فاتت واحد سألني قال لي طب مش ده إبداع؟ All of these are creative abilities. What's the meaning of flexibility? نعم. So flexibility, it refers to your ability to look at something from different point of view. If you are able to look at any problem, any issue, any object from different point of view, this refers to flexibility. Okay. Originality. Okay, so you don't build on other ideas, right? So, originality is the ability to produce ideas which are new, fresh, special, interesting, and not derived from something else. I am not building on other things. Build on مش مبني على حاجة قبل كده. ببدأ من النقطة. Okay? And this is an important issue. You think one day we can talk about originality in the field of artificial intelligence.
لو مشيت الآن عملت أكتر فكرة إن هي لها أكتر من مجال أو أكتر من ذكاء، إن هي نقدر نربط العلوم اللي هي اتعلمتها مع بعض والداتا اللي هي متعلماها وتقدر تعمل لنا مجالات جديدة. هنا عملت بجد.
So you think that in one day the machine will be characterized by original thinking?
Maybe.
You believe? Okay.
لا انا حاسه ان هو